Welcome to this explainer on the OPRET School Ordering Portal. Today we're diving straight into a highly practical tutorial tailored specifically for schools and institutions. We're going to look at exactly how this portal works so you can seamlessly order and manage student course access. If you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by juggling online learning licenses, you are definitely in the right place because we're going to walk through a complete start-to-finish workflow.
To keep things simple, we'll break this down into 5 easy steps: starting the course order, entering learner details, reviewing the cart, payment and checkout, and finally, managing access.
All right, let's jump right into step 1, starting your course order.
So, once you log into the portal, you'll want to head over to the navigation menu on the left side and click on Order Contents. This opens up your main ordering workspace. From there, it's pretty hard to miss that big purple button right in the middle that says Plus, select First Online Course Content. Just go ahead and give that a click to get the ball rolling.
Now, a quick heads up here, because I know this catches a lot of first-time users completely off guard. Over on the right side, you'll see a Content Cart Preview. Right now, it's going to be totally empty and the total will say $0. Don't panic. The empty cart and that $0 total at this stage are completely normal. It's going to update automatically the very second you add a course.
And here's exactly what happens when you click that purple button. A catalog panel just slides right in from the side. This is where all the published online courses available for your institution live. You can scroll through, or, if you're in a hurry, just use the search bar at the top. Let's say you want the Phlebotomy Technician course. Just verify the duration, like that 6-week access period, check the price, and then smash that plus add button right beside it.
Moving seamlessly along, we're at step 2, entering learner details.
Once your course is added, the system automatically spins up a user table just for that program. First up, find the Number of Users box. Type in how many learners you're buying this for. If it's just one, the system instantly generates a single row. Then, all you gotta do is type in the learner's full name and pick their exact start date from the calendar dropdown.
Now, here is a feature that is a massive time saver. You only have to enter the start date. The portal has this auto-calculated end dates feature. Since it already knows the course's predetermined duration, like that 6-week phlebotomy program, it literally does the math for you and pops in the exact end date. Honestly, it completely eliminates those annoying calendar counting errors.
Okay, that brings us to step 3, reviewing the cart.
Let's glance back over to the right side again. Remember that empty cart? Well, it's now populated with your course details, the user's name, and your pricing. You're looking for this little green badge that says Ready, and you'll want to double-check the progress bar to make sure it says something like 1/1 complete. That just means all your required user rows are good to go. Once you see that green Ready status and you're happy with the total, hit that purple Go to Cart button.
Treat this moment right here like a final proofread. It is absolutely crucial to do a quick check before proceeding. Make sure you selected the right course because, let's face it, misclicks happen. Double-check the spelling of every learner's name, since that's exactly how it'll look on their login. Confirm those start dates and make sure the final total aligns with your budget.
Down the home stretch now, step 4, payment and checkout.
We've all shopped online, so this is going to feel super familiar. You get a final checkout summary, breaking down the online course costs versus any physical materials. Below that is your payment block. Just punch in your institution's credit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Once it's all in there securely, click the big Pay and Place Order button. Actually, let me give you a quick pro tip here. Right below that checkout button, there's a Clear Cart option. Please use this with extreme caution. Only click Clear Cart if you need to completely scrap the order and start over. If you spot a tiny typo in a student's name, don't clear the whole cart. Just use the little Edit button near the course title so you don't lose all your hard work. And finally, step 5, managing student course access. So after the order is placed, how do we actually manage all this? Back on that left-hand menu, right near where we started, there's an option called Course Access. This is basically your command center. Up top, you get these brilliant summary cards giving you a bird's eye view. Total students, active access, expired access, and even a really helpful card for access that is expiring soon, so you can keep your students on track.
Right below those cards is your management table. And hey, no endless scrolling required here. You can search directly by student name or order number, or filter by status. But the best part? On the far right of every student's row, you've got actionable buttons. You can click View Login to pull up their credentials instantly if they lose them, or hit Progress to see exactly where they're at in their course.
One specific thing to keep your eyes peeled for on this dashboard is the Login Ready indicator. It shows up in green right under the user's name. That is your definitive 100% confirmation that the system has successfully generated their login and it's ready to use. It's basically total peace of mind that your workflow was a success.
And that's the whole shebang. This portal truly makes getting your students set up fast and friction-free. But, every school is different. If you run into hurdles, or you just want to know how to optimize this for your specific setup, you can always reach out to OPRET Education at info@opreteducation.com for more details. So, with these 5 steps mastered and streamlined, how are you going to spend all that administrative time you just won back?